Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the final build video for the Chevy 56-210 Handyman Wagon. I finished this build on today. Actually, today's Friday. I finished it at 2 a.m. this morning, getting it all done, and I am leaving for my flight tomorrow morning on Saturday to head to California to give this to my grandfather so he can have it to replicate his one-to-one. I actually would go into a car show with him, so maybe we might take it to the car show so he can show his friends that he has a model built of his car that is 90% accurate to what his car has based upon what I could find in the modeling community from vendors, 3D printed files, in order to make this as accurate as possible. So let's get to it. Again, this is the 56 year, so the colors actually here match the 56 year as well as his one-to-one. This is Tropical Turquoise, and that is India Ivory. Most of the car has stainless steel for its trim, so I use Model Master stainless steel for most of this. It took about 2 hours to mask everything off that I needed to make this stainless steel, and this is the buffing, so I could buff it after I was done. The rear bumper, the front bumper, the parts up here, as well as the hood ornament, are all chrome, and that was done in a black base with the Alclad chrome to it. The wheels are in magnesium from Alclad with a black base. The knockoffs are Detail Master, and the valve stems are from ProTech. The side pipes here are 3D printed. Those are from VCG Resins. In the interior, also pictures here because it's a little hard to show you in here, but I had to do a lot of sanding and smoothing out to remove all of the molded in parts of the interior to get them flat, and then do half round to get the tuck and roll, and then also flat pieces of styrene, as well as Evergreen 100 full round styrene for the piping. The back here is actually a resin piece that I molded into the stock Nomad door cards and interior, and that's from the 56 AMT. I did not have the actual kit, but I found someone that had a resin copy of the interior, and I got that for this to make it actually matches what the true interior is of this 56. For the front, we have seat belts that are photo etch, as well as a lace material. We have a floor shifter that is 3D printed by VCG Resins. The dash has some changes to it, where I actually added heads of sewing thimbles in there, so those were used to give the knobs more of a 3D look to it and more of a detail. And the Bel Air emblem and stuff was removed from the actual dash itself. Moving on, for the engine, the engine is about 90% accurate. I made a whole new pulley system. There are 5 pulleys in here with 3 belts. The belts are actually made out of Tamiya tape. I used rubber black from Tamiya to paint it. The tape was made with an Infinity board. It is a modeling board that allows you to have different widths that you put tape on it, and then you slice it to those widths. It is an orange board, so definitely look out for one of those if you're looking for something to make your tape super thin without having to buy it. You can buy it in a normal size and cut it down to your needs. We have a brake booster by VCG Resins. We have parts by Park Air Cleaners. We have VCG Resins carbs. We have Hobby Design carb linkage. This is actually in 1/20th scale, but it is actually accurate to 1/24th. Detail Master, both lower and upper radiator hose. We've used a plethora of different parts here to make the pulley system. So the alternator is 3D printed by VCG Resins. I grabbed this part right here, which was from another kit, not sure what it was, but I turned it into the AC unit that would be utilized. We have the actual hose running down to where it's supposed to go. I've added some 3D printed valve covers here, which actually makes it accurate, as well as the manifold. Let's see if I can show anything else. Maybe you'll see better in there just how deep it actually is. This engine was very hard to get in at the end. I was mocking it up over and over again while I was painting it, and it was fitting just as we wanted it to, but at the end it had a little bit of an issue, so I had to just tweak it just a little bit in order to make it fit, and that was changing the supports on the lower part of it. Overall, I'm very happy with this build, but there are flaws, and there are a couple flaws I will take out of it tonight just to fix and correct it. On the bottom side here, I dolled it up a little bit with the oil bolt, 3D printed T10 transmission by Iceman Collections. Here are the side pipes. This was from the stock Nomad, but then I made a change to it and added it, and then added these 3D printed pipes at the end of it. So overall, I'm very happy. It's a very clean build. It is not show quality, at least to me, because of a couple of the issues I have with the paint. I'm not sure if they would show or not show in this video, but definitely something I need to fix and correct before I take it out tomorrow. But I wanted to show one of the actual final of this build, as I posted it everywhere through social media, Instagram, and all the Facebook pages I'm a part of, but I wanted to actually show it here in person and let you all see it for what it was before it heads with me to California. Overall, again, very pleased with the build. I'm happy that I'm done with it. It was fun and it was stressful based on having a timeline, but I want to get this done to give my grandfather so he has a 90% accurate identical match to his one-to-one. You'll see pictures here at the end of this build and a lot of the work that I put into it, along with the final pictures and pictures of the one-to-one itself. I will be going out there to see him, and I will be attending a club meet that he has. I'm hoping that we can take the model with us so his friends can see the model, as many guys out there don't have models of their actual vehicle in a replica form. So definitely happy to get this done. I'm happy that I completed it. It looks good to me. And in the next video, I'm looking to start on a 41 Willys. So that will be fun for you guys to watch me do, and we'll get that one on in the next video. So again, thank you for watching. I appreciate all my subscribers. You all have a fantastic day, a fantastic weekend, and I will catch you all in the next video. Thank you.